Hello world! I hacked YouTube, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 videos of my own in the recommended section on YouTube. And if we are going to refresh the page, you're going to see that 4 more videos are appearing, 4 random videos from my own channel. Well, I haven't really hacked YouTube, I just created a Google Chrome extension which puts 4 of my videos on the homepage when you go to youtube.com. Basically, you'll have to install my Chrome extension in order to get the 4 videos appearing in your recommended section. In this tutorial, we're going to see how to create this Chrome extension. So let's get into it. Alright, so here on the left we have VS Code, which is opened with a folder, and inside this folder we're going to store all the files needed for the Chrome extension. And here on the right you can see YouTube, the landing page, and we have the extensions tab. You can see here all the extensions I have installed. I'm on Brave, which is a browser similar to Chrome. So if you're on a Chrome, you can go to Chrome instead of Brave here, Chrome and extensions. Also make sure that you have developer mode turned on so you can load unpacked projects. The first thing we're going to need in our Chrome extension folder will be the manifest.json. Manifest.json. Basically, this will tell the Chrome extension what is it about and the version and what we want to do with this Chrome extension. So here we have an object. Let me close this. And inside, first thing we're going to have manifest version, which will be 2, which is the latest version of manifest at the time that I'm recording this. Okay, next, let's give it a name. I'm going to call it YouTube Pop Recommender. And let's put a smirk face. Alright, and let's give our Chrome extension a version. Let's say 0.0.1 or something like that, or you can have 1.0.0. It doesn't matter. The next thing, we're going to have content scripts, and inside we'll have an array of objects. Here we're going to match the website URL. So on the matches property, we're going to have an array, and here we're going to pass in the URL for YouTube. So we go here and we copy this and paste it here. And next we're going to have JavaScript file and the CSS file. So we need to specify that. JavaScript, which will be inside an array, script.js, and CSS will be style.css. Okay, so basically what this says is that when you go to youtube.com, you will load this JavaScript file and you will load this CSS file. So let's create them. Script.js and style.css. Okay, let's see, they match, right? Okay, script.js and style.css. Good, that's it for the manifest. We can close it. Now, in order to see that the Chrome extension works, let's put some basic styling. Let's say for the body, background color should be purple or something, and let's put important. And also the script, let's say alert, hello. Good. Now we go to the extensions tab, and here we can load unpacked, and you can pick a folder from your computer. So load in unpacked, YouTube front, click select. Okay, and you can see now it's loaded here. So let's load the YouTube main page to see if it works. Okay, look at that. So the JavaScript works, and the body might be purple, but maybe it's covered. So let's see. If I open inspect here, okay, let me here and we go to the body, you can see that the background color here is purple. So the style sheet was injected, which is perfect. Let's first clear these files. The next thing will be to create a similar tile with these tiles. You can see here we want to have an image here, a thumbnail, also the channel here, the title of the video, and my channel name here. In order to do that, what I did initially was to inspect the page, use this tool and go here, and you can see we have a div. Let me zoom in. Okay, you can see here we have a div with ID contents, and basically this is the wrapper for all the cards here, the YouTube cards, let's call it. And inside we have these tags: YTD, reach, item, renderer. I think these are web components, I'm not 100% sure. Initially I tried to copy this item like that and just change it and then put it again inside the contents here on top, but apparently it didn't work. So what I did was to create a component from scratch, basically an HTML component from scratch, and then I injected it with JavaScript, and also I styled it with CSS. So that's what we're going to do. So let's create a function which will create this HTML component. Let's call it create card, and this will take in the information we need. So basically we need the thumbnail URL, we need the link to the video, we need the channel name, the channel link, and the channel logo here, and also the title. So we need a couple of things. Let's see. We're going to pass in the video information, and we're going to store the channel information here. So let's do that. Channel. I have here an object. Let me copy it over. Okay. And inside here you can see I have the name of my channel, the link which will go after youtube.com, and I have the logo of my channel. Let me open it here so you can see here is the logo. Good. Now we have the data, and inside this create card we're going to pass in the video information. Let's create a dummy video object here, and I'm going to paste in another object, details. Good. As you can see here we have the URL of the video, we have the title, and we have the thumbnail. So that's pretty much all the data we need. Later we're going to get more videos from my channel. So basically instead of one video we're going to have an array of videos. But for now let's use this dummy video. Okay, inside the create card function, first let's create our new tag. So YouTube card will be document create element, and we're going to create a div. Also let's give this div a class so we can style it later. YouTube card class list add, we can call it YouTube card. So that's the class we're going to give. Inside the YouTube card, so the inner HTML, YouTube card inner HTML is going to be the following. First, let's create the thumbnail, which is basically a link with an image. A class container like that, and the ref will be video.url. Okay, let's close the link. So video.url is this basically, and inside we're going to have an image which is going to have a source, video thumb, and let's give it an alt to be thumb or whatever. Okay, and let's close the image. Perfect. So this will be our thumbnail with the link. Underneath it we're going to have the card information. So let's create a div with a class of card info. Let's close the div, and here on the left side we're going to have another link with an image, and on the right side we're going to have the title and the name of my channel with links also. Let's create the link. This will have a class of card info left. And the link, the ref, will be channel URL. So this basically takes this URL here. Inside it, as I said, we're going to have another image, and the source will be channel logo, like that. And the alt, let's just call it user or something. Okay, close the image, close the A tag. Okay, like that. Great. And underneath it, we're going to have the right side, which will be a div with a class of card info right. And inside it, let's put the links. So age ref, let's write it fast and copy it over. Okay, and also close this div. Alright. The first one will be the title, so let's give it a class of title. And the second one will be user, so class user. Alright. And as a link here, we're going to have the video URL again, video URL, and inside here we're going to have video title. And here we're going to have channel URL, and inside here we're going to have channel name. So basically that's the entire structure we need for our HTML. We created a component. Now we need to add it to these contents. So first we're going to need to target it. So contents will be document get element by ID contents. Okay, so basically when this script will run on the page, it will get this div here. And now inside the function we can say contents prepend, because we want it to be before this card. So prepend YouTube card, like that. So now if we call the create card function and we pass in our dummy video, let's see if it works. Let's save it. Let's close this. Let's go to our extension and we can refresh. Good. Come here and refresh the page and let's see if it works. Okay, it works. So it takes the thumbnail, also the logo, and you can see the links here. It's not very pretty, so we need to style it. Let's go inside the style and create the styles for the card here. I'm going to paste in the entire style and go over it because I don't want to waste time explaining. It's just basic styling. So the YouTube card has a font, also has a width based on some value they have. Next, the links will be inline block. The thumbnail and the image will be, this one will be 100% of the container. The card information is display flex, so we can have this logo on the left and the title and the name on the right. And we have some styling on the image, border radius 50% to make it round. Okay, the right side will be 100% minus the width plus the margin from the left side. And then we style the title and the user. That's pretty much it. Let's save it and reload our Chrome extension. Let's reload the page and see if it works. Okay, look at that. Now it looks a lot like the other tiles. And the nice part is now that if we go here and create two cards, save, reload, and reload the page, we're going to get two cards, which is awesome. The only thing left to do is to get all the videos from my channel stored in an array, as I said here. Instead of the dummy video, we're going to have an array, and we're going to take randomly 4 videos out of the array, or 2 videos, or whatever, how many you want. Now, because I'm too lazy to learn the YouTube API to take dynamically the links from my channel, the videos and stuff like that, we're going to use the developer tools to get all the information for my channel. So we're going to go to my channel. Next, we're going to go to the video section. Here you can see all the videos I uploaded. We can scroll down and here they are, all the videos. So basically we have all the information here. All we need to do now is to extract it. So let's open the inspect tool and let's see how we can get data. Good. Now let's inspect it and we can see, if we go here, items. Okay, you can see that inside the div with an ID of items we have all these YTD grid video renderer, and inside here we definitely have the thumbnail, the title and the links we need. So let's take this tag name, we go to the console, const, we're going to store all this information inside an array and then we're going to copy it and paste it inside our VS Code. Let's see, we have the renderers, which are basically document get elements by tag name, and we can paste in the tag. Okay, now if we say renderers, we have 75 HTML collections and we have 75 videos. We can loop over all of these and extract the information we want. We can't do renderers that for each because it doesn't have the function name. Let me zoom in here so you can go back. Okay, here. Let's see if we need to, yeah, we still have the variable renderers. Okay, so as I said, we can't do renderers that for each because it's not a function. Because the renderers is a HTML collection which doesn't have the for each method, but we can convert it into array like this, renderers. And now we can use the for each. Let's see, renderer, and let's console.log ren that, I don't know, inner text, like that. And if we enter, you can see all the inner text inside all the cards. Good. So now we have access to the information inside the cards or renderers or whatever they're called. Let's see what we need. We need to get the URL, the title and the thumbnail. So the URL is here and the title and the thumbnail is here. Let's inspect those elements to see if they have an ID or something. Okay. Let's see if we get here. Good. We can see we have an image with an ID of image. Okay, and it has the source, the image, the thumbnail. Perfect. We can take that, and here we have a link with an ID of video title, which as a href has the link to the video and it has the title. Perfect. So now we go back here on the console. Let's increase this like that. And what we need first, let's have a place to store the video's information. Let's create a variable videos, an array basically. Okay, and here we're going to construct a new object, a new video object. Const new video. This will have the URL, which will be something. It will have the title, which will be something, and it will have the thumbnail. Let's see where we can get this information. So as I said, we already have the information there. So basically we have already the link, which has the href, and the inner text, which is the title. So let's target that element, which is on res or on ren. So basically this, and then we can do query selector, and we can target the link, and we don't need just the ID of video title, like that. And we also have the image. So the image will be again on the renderer, query selector, and we have the ID of image. For the URL, we have the link ref. And for the title, we have the link inner text. So basically this one. And for the thumbnail, we have the image source. Perfect. We have the object. Now let's add it to the videos array. Videos.push new video. Like that. Alright, so if we did everything correctly, at the end, we should have an array, the videos array, should have 57 videos, object with the videos information. So let's enter. Okay, so cannot read source of null. Yeah, that's because I said EMD and it's EMG. Let's see, the videos is still empty. Good. Let's run again this for each. And here we're going to say image. Alright, let's now. Good, we don't have an error. And let's see videos. Look at that. We have 57 objects with the URL, the title, and everything. Good. Now, how do we get this information over to VS Code? I found a nice trick online. You can say copy and the videos array and hit enter, and now it's copied inside the clipboard. So here, if we say const videos and paste in, look at that. We have the array of all the videos. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Now, let's remove the dummy video because we don't need it anymore. Let's save this so it will format. Alright, and here instead of the dummy video, we're going to get a random video. So let's write a simple function, get random video, which will basically get a random item from the array. So return videos, and we need met.floor, met.random, and we multiply it by videos.length. So basically this line of code will return one element randomly from the videos array. And now we can put this function call here and we can save it. Good. Let's close this. Let's go to the YouTube main page, which won't work now because we need to refresh. Now if it's reloaded and if we did everything correctly, we should see 2 random videos popping up in the recommended section. Awesome, look at that. We have our 2 random videos. If we click on one of them, it will open in a new tab. Then go back and you look at that, 2 more videos. If we refresh again, 2 more videos randomly. Okay, so that's it for this Chrome extension. There are a lot of ways we can improve it. So maybe we can find a way to keep track of which videos the user saw. So the user who installed the Chrome extension, maybe they click on a link and we can store it and then we shouldn't show it again. Or also another improvement, now the videos are static here, so we need to copy it again. If we want to add more videos, we need to update the extension, and the people who install the extension will need to update it themselves. So that's not very viable. In a good scenario, you'll have a dynamic array here. But for now, it works. Also, you can see that the time frame starts with 167 seconds and so on. I think those are the seconds where I watched the video. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, give it a like. Let me know in the comment section what kind of tutorials you want me to do in the future. Let me know if you like this Chrome extension. Maybe you have some ideas, we can improve it. I'm going to put it on GitHub, so you can download it, you can install it, and you can have my videos popping up on your screen always. Now I just need to find a way to make a lot of people to install it so they can see all of my videos, which will be nice. That's it for this video. If you liked it, you can subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!